Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manas Adhikari and I'm 10 years old. So in today's video we're going to evaluate the integral dx over 1 plus 169x squared to the power 3 over 2. Before we get started, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share my video. Now let's get into it. So first off, to find the integral of this, we had to use trigonometric substitution. So to make x equals to tan theta over 13. So now that means that dx d theta will be equal to, we can take out the 1 over 13. And we know that d theta of tan theta is secant squared theta. And this close. So now that means that dx is equal to secant squared theta over 13 d theta. So now we have integral of, we can take out 1 over 13. So now we have secant square theta d theta over, we have parentheses 1 plus 169 times x is tan theta over 13, that's squared, parentheses close to the power 3 over 2. So now same as 1 over 13 integral of secant square theta d theta. Then we have over parentheses 1 plus 169 times, tan theta over 13 squared would be tan square theta over 169, parentheses close, and then parentheses close to the power 3 over 2. So now we this, and this. So now we have 1 over 13 integral of secant square theta d theta over parentheses, we get 1 plus, we can cancel the 169, so we have 1 plus tan square theta, parentheses goes, and that to the power 3 over 2. So now let me erase this, and this. So now we have 1 over 13 integral of secant square theta d theta over, we have parentheses. We know that 1 plus tan squared theta is secant square theta, that to the power 1 over 2 to the power 3. So now same as 1 over 13 integral of secant square theta d theta over, we know that secant square theta to the power 1 over 2 is secant theta, and secant theta to the power 3 is secant cube theta. So now same as 1 over 13 integral of secant squared theta over secant cube theta is 1 over secant theta, and then d theta. So now let me erase this and this. So now we have 1 over 13 integral of, we know that 1 over secant theta is cosine theta, and then d theta. So now same as 1 over 13 times, we know the integral of cosine theta d theta is sine theta, parentheses close, and then plus c. So now we know that we have x is equal to tan theta over 13. So now that means that 13x, let's say it was 13x over 1, will be equal to tan theta. So now let me erase this, that, and that. So now we know that to find sine theta, we have to make a right triangle. So now this will be a right angle, and this will be theta. So now we know that tan theta is 13x over 1. We know that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So the opposite would be 13x, and the adjacent would be 13x, and the adjacent would be 1. And now to find sine theta, we know that it's opposite over hypotenuse. We know that the opposite is 13x, but now we have to find the hypotenuse. And in order to find the hypotenuse, we have to use Pythagorean theorem. So you have 13x squared, which is 169x squared, plus 1 squared is 1. That is equal to c squared. So that means that c will be equal to radical 1 plus 169x squared. Turn this closed. So now this will be radical 1 plus 169x squared. Turn this closed. So now let me use this. So now we have 1 over 13. Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite would be 13x, and then over radical 1 plus 169x squared. Oh yeah, and then we have parentheses closed, and then plus c. So now we can cross out the 13. So now let me erase this. So now we have x over radical 1 plus 169x squared plus c. So now this is the final answer. Thank you guys for watching my video today.